Okay, good morning. Hope you're having a great day out there in Radio Land. And today we're talking about DWIs, driving while intoxicated. So, when is it not a good idea to drink and drive? And the answer is always, it's never a good idea to drink and drive. Because if you get arrested for drinking and driving, or drinking while driving, or drinking before you get in the car, as long as it's in your system, you're looking at tens of thousands of dollars in fines. You're looking at your insurance being jacked up. You're looking at a suspended driver's license. And you're probably looking at a bunch of money in attorney's fees. Now, that's just for DWI 1. DWI 2 is not twice as much money. It's 3 to 5 times as much money. And somewhere between 3, 4, and 5 DWIs, you probably need to check yourself into a rehab. But if you haven't, just know that you're looking at tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars to fight it, and you may get felony charges. So if you're sitting at your house thinking, am I okay to drive? That's you telling yourself, I am not okay to drive, and you should not drive at all. If you've had a couple of beers and you've quit smoking, and you're just sitting there thinking, man, I wish I could have a cigarette right now, that is you telling yourself you're not okay to drive. So whenever you get that tobacco, craving after you've had a few beers, that's your body saying you cannot drive. The whole adage that, I drive better when I've been drinking. Well, no, you don't. Nobody does. Because here's the reality. If you get out in the car drinking and driving and you hurt somebody, you're probably going to prison. And I know we don't think about that when we're drinking, and we're just like, I just want to run down the street and get a sausage biscuit. No, it's not worth a sausage biscuit. Go get some sausage biscuits before you start drinking so that you can eat them, once you've had a few beers. Or just don't drink. Now, just don't drink is probably not going to happen for most of us out in Radio Land, but don't drive. It's just not worth it. The rule of thumbs with cars are don't drive too fast, wear your seatbelt, and don't have a bunch of spicy drinks before you get behind the wheel. It's just easier. It guarantees that you won't wake up in jail. It guarantees that your family won't have to take out a loan and cancel Christmas to get you out of jail and to take care of your legal issues. But life sometimes kicks you in the pants. And if life has kicked you in the pants and you got a DWI or another criminal action at all, give me a call. Fuller Bumpers. Love to bring you in, talk to you about your legal issues, and see if we can't get you headed in a better direction.